Hey guys, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we're on a brand new Sea Ray SLX 350. Cool thing about this boat is this rear seating area. Love to hang out in the back. It's got a great seating area. You can lift these up, give you a little more ergonomic for your knees. Nice starboard side walk through with a rear transom remote. In-floor cooler, so instead of having to get all the way into the boat, you can actually just come to right here and grab your drinks out of that cooler. As we make our way down into the boat, Sea Ray did a great job of setting the interior of this up for a really nice social setting inside of here. So you've got a really nice L-shaped lounger over here. Your co-pilot seat actually swivels and turns, and then you've got another couple of seats over here. This boat is equipped with the Kenyan grill, so it's nice. Throw your burgers, your hot dogs, steaks, fish, really whatever you want onto that grill. It cooks really well. Nice isotherm refrigerator. You got your trash can. Really cool LED lighting all the way throughout this boat. This boat is a hardtop. It has the extended sunshade, so this extended sunshade will actually roll out and it'll actually roll over this back seating area. We've got an opening in the hardtop that pulls back. So if you want a little extra sun or you want some moonlight while you're out having an evening cruise, it's a great thing to just move it back. As we move to the helm, this boat is equipped. Instead of with gauges, it's got two Raymarine touchscreens. So all your boat information is in here. So you use this to turn your lights on and off, turn your bilge pump on and off, extend the sunshade, extend the automated submersible swim platform. We've got chart plotter, fish finder, everything inside of this. The boat's also a twin engine boat, so we have optioned it with the joystick, so it makes it easy moving in and out of slips, getting up to next to the dock. Really easy to get inside of there. Another really cool thing about this boat is the hydraulic teak table that recesses into the floor. So we talk about the touch screen and how everything's inside the touch screen. It's cool. Inside the touch screen, you just push the button and the table comes up out of the floor. Great way to store it. You don't have to give up good storage space under all your cushions. We do have a really nice upgraded head on this boat. It is a vacuum flush system, so it's kind of like the toilet inside your house. You push the lever down and it flushes it and puts it into a holding tank inside the boat that you just pull up to the gas dock and have it pumped out. As we make our way to this really nice wide open bow area, there is a ton of seating up here. You can see the really nice blue LED lights, flip down armrests. Makes it for a really comfortable ride when you're running across the water. Great place to be, just to see the open water out in front of you. A couple spots for tables, so great seating area. Hey, thanks for joining me today on the Sea Ray SLX 350. I'm Chris Harding. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 972-436-9979, or stop by the store and let us walk you through the boat. It's a beautiful boat, great running boat, and we'd love to meet you. Thanks and have a great day.